Oh, hello guys. Hope you all are doing well. This is another one of my favorite fishing arcade game called Dragon King. It's amazing. I want to show you guys around a little bit. Uh, amazing stages, amazing fisheries. The Dragon King 3. That's what we're gonna enter, and we're gonna play the Mega Kong Smash. But before then, I want to show you guys that this game also has slots, and it's amazing. All these are slots right there. Let's click on the 5 dragon beginner room. uh Pick any rooms. We got plenty of rooms here. We don't have to be certain VIP to use a private room or anything. So this right here, the bet is on 180,000. We're gonna press and hold the spin button and spin it for 10 times and make the bet faster. So till 10 times is gonna automatically spin, of course. I wanted to show you guys this game. It's amazing. And we also have now slots on classic arcade fishing that I have several games posted and I will post more. Thank you guys for everything. Two more spins, then we're gonna show you. We're gonna show you the fishery. So we started with 48 million coins on top left, and now we're gonna go click home page, go back. The music is very uplifting. We're gonna play this Mega Kong. We're gonna play beginners. We're gonna play in a empty room because there's no private room because anybody can enter any room, but we're gonna play in this room. Amazing. Let's see. Very relaxing. Thank you, and I want to say thank you to my new subscribers also. Let's see. I play auto. I'm gonna. So this is my info on this one. I'm VIP3 Saf Pradhan, the same name that I'm on classic arcade fishing game with. Let's see if we can get this Zeus. We're gonna pause this and we're gonna see. Finally something. When we capture this King Kong, the fight between the King Kong and the giant alligator is outstanding. If I can get him, let's see. If we lose all the coins, it doesn't matter. Coins are decent price recharge. like 99 cents, $1, $2, $3, depends. I got the blue dragon, guys. Let's see. $13 million. Okay. I'm gonna cash my bullets. I got 13 silver bullets. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash this 1.3 million, and then I have nothing copper, and then this question mark is the save points that you can click and always cash it out. Let's start playing. I'm gonna click on the auto button. I have several more fishing games that I play. I haven't posted games in a while, sorry, because of my work schedule. But I'm gonna get back. I love this golden fish. Let's see if we can get him. We got him. I'm gonna check this text and cash the red envelope. 1, 2, 3. I kinda didn't understand the concept of red envelope, but I still do it. I'm gonna try to catch this giant squid. So we've been recording now for 8 minutes and started with 48 million coins and still doing decent. We lose when we are anxious and think that we're gonna lose and try to play big unless you have a good backup. I'm gonna try to get King Kong one time to show you guys. Oh, I love Raging Dragon. I want to show you guys how cool it is if you capture the Raging Dragons and all these things. Let's see. This ghost ship is awesome. I don't think I can get dragon. Let's try the ship. Now you do need diamonds to use the all the props like rage and ice and all of that. You do collections also, but you run out of it, and then you need diamonds to use it. And if you don't have diamonds, you still win. Okay, it's just if you have diamonds, you can take more chances. I got the raging dragon, guys. I'm gonna try to shoot for the ghost boat, the ship, on a 20,000 bullet size. We missed it, but we still got 5 million out of them, so not bad. Let's see if we can get this wheel. We got it. This is the same wheel we have almost in every fishing game, just like the classic arcade one. By the way, I'm on VIP 8 on that one also on one of my accounts. It's by Rygar. My name is on that account as Rygar Saf, because Rygar is one of my favorite games. Let's try to get the ghost ship. Not bad. I've been playing for over 10 minutes. Started with 48 million coins. But I'm 20,000 bet is doable if you have this many points, because you win back. In these games, I've learned that if you lose, they let you lose, they let you win. Or whatever you lose, they pay you back. They win you back again. They let you win it back again. All these games are available on App Store. We'll try this jellyfish. You got the mermaid, thank God. This is just one of the games they have. They have plenty more, like mermaid, birds, amazing games. Well, I just wanted to introduce you guys to this game. I'm leaving with 40 million coins. Let's cash this thing. I've been recording for 17 minutes, so we've been playing for 17 minutes. Pretty good. I've done a $2 recharge early so that I can have the auto button activated. Let's get this cash, see what we get. 10 million, so there you go. Came in with 48, leaving out with 49. Well, let's see. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good night, day, afternoon, and bless you all. Thank you.